In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Calendly in our comprehensive guide for 2025. If you're a business owner, freelancer, or professional who relies on scheduled meetings with clients or customers, setting up payments on Calendly can streamline your process, enhance your professionalism, and ensure that you get paid promptly. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to integrate payment systems with your Calendly account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Calendly's website by entering calendly.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the Login button. Click on it to proceed with accessing your account. Logging in is essential as it takes you to your personalized dashboard where all configurations can be adjusted. Upon clicking the login button, you'll see multiple options to access your account. Opt to continue with Google. This is particularly convenient if your Calendly account is linked to your Google credentials, saving you the hassle of remembering additional login details. After choosing to continue with Google, look for your Google account in the listed options. This will often appear as a small icon or avatar that you regularly use for your Google services. Select the account associated with your Calendly profile to proceed. Once you've accessed your dashboard, your next move is to integrate payment options. Head over to Integrations and Apps, which is prominently displayed on your menu. This is the section where you'll connect external applications like payment gateways to enhance your Calendly experience. Now, among the available integration options, you'll see Stripe. Stripe is a popular choice for handling online payments, known for its secure and reliable transaction processes. Click on it if Stripe aligns with your business needs and click on the option to get paid before client meetings. This ensures everything is set up for clients to pay you directly before they can secure their booking. After configuring Stripe, let's move on to another payment method by going back to Integrations and Apps. This time, select PayPal from the list. PayPal is another widespread option for online transactions, providing versatility and trustworthiness that many clients prefer. Once you select PayPal, confirm the settings by clicking on options like saving time and reducing no-shows to ensure all features are correctly integrated. After completing these steps, you've successfully set up payment options through Stripe and PayPal in your Calendly account. This integration streamlines client interactions by embedding seamless payment processes directly into your scheduling workflow. By following these straightforward steps, you've ensured that your scheduling system will manage not only your time but also your payments efficiently. Engaging these methods guarantees that your time is respected, your work is valued, and your revenue cycle becomes smoother, allowing you to focus effortlessly on your core business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to get the most out of your Calendly experience in 2025.